Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Nathan could not be here today, so I will be doing this unboxing video for him. So once again, Nathan has ordered these mystery minifigures of Spyro the Dragon. I will be opening these boxes for him, and I bet Nathan will be excited about what he gets, if he thinks it's good. Okay, just need to cut this open. Oh, it's in a bag. Looks like I'll have to cut the bag open too. Let's see who we get. Ooh, Sheila, the kangaroo. I recognize her from Spyro 3. She is pretty cool. Now let's see what we get in the other box. It's really hard to open these taped boxes. That's why people invented scissors. Or at least that's what I think. And let's see who we get in this one. Ah, it's Bianca, the wizard bunny. She used to work for the sorceress, but now she's best friends with Spyro and Hunter. And it comes with Bianca's little wand. How cool is that? There we go. Now, let's put it on Bianca to see if it fits. It's a perfect fit. So now Nathan has got Sheila and Bianca. Nathan's going to be surprised when he sees them. Another couple of figures added to Nathan's collection. Nathan says he liked what he just got, and he thanked me for opening the boxes for him. But he still wants Spyro one of these days. So he's going to try again another time. Maybe next month or the month after. He doesn't know when. But he will get a couple more soon, so he can see if he gets Spyro. And once he gets Spyro, he will have both Crash and Spyro together, and they can go on adventures that Nathan can imagine with them. Well, I'm Fredrik Foxpaw, and thank you for watching. Bye!